Brad Williams, XL Prime. In this tutorial, we're going to discuss a conversion. We're going to convert kilograms, or we're going to convert pounds to kilograms. Let me show you what's going on here. We have a simple layout. We just have pounds, and we're going to convert to kilograms. Let's try to keep this as simple as possible. Convert V5, LBM is pounds, kg are the units. Remember, number, unit to unit. 4.99. Now the question here is, can we just reverse that? Can we just put kg to LBM? Well, yeah, we can. So let me show you how to do that. All we're going to do is we'll insert a column, we'll put pounds, P-O-U-N-D-S. We'll just go equals, convert, and instead of B5, we're just going to grab this 499. Keep in mind, you always want to use your quotes. You want to go kg, close the quotes, comma, and then quote, LBM, close it. There's your conversion. Copy down, and that's it. Now you want to put rows, or you want to put some accessories there. You want to change this and put borders. Let's put all borders. And then if you want to change, okay, let's put 1 kilograms, you get 0.45 or 1 pound. You want to see 2.2 pounds equals 1 kilogram. Why is that important? Let's say you're in Costa Rica and you're in, I don't know, Hermosa, Playa de Coco, and you know they have fresh fish, and you want to buy a kilogram of fresh tuna. I'm speaking from experience. So you go in there and you want to buy a kilogram, and off the top of your head, you just go, what's the equivalent? You're buying fresh tuna for 5 pounds a kilogram. Is that a good deal? Well, you're thinking, I'm buying a pound of fresh tuna for $2 a pound. Yeah, that's a deal. Anyway, keep that in mind when you're traveling, because you're going to be dealing with kilograms. And 1 kilogram is 2.2 pounds. The same thing with the liters when you're buying fuel. Brad Williams, XL Prime.